Hello everyone, welcome to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen. So recently, one of our nearby general physician named Dr. Sarma, he said he wants to build a website for his clinic and he need appointment booking system so that his patient can easily book an appointment from their home. He also wants to manage feature like appointment data, patient record, payment information, progress analytics. Luckily, WordPress has a solution for this. So in WordPress, basically there is a plugin called BookingPress, which help us to achieve this functionality with just few easy steps. And the best part is BookingPress is freely available in WordPress.org. So in this video, we're going to see what this plugin can do and how to set it up in your WordPress website. So let's start. The free version of BookingPress offers several useful features, including responsive design, calendar view, customizable booking form, email notification, option to add multiple services, maintain customer and appointment records, payment integration, graphical report, and analytics. You can check out their demos on the BookingPress website. We have also added the link in the video description. The demos showcase the full feature of the plugin. Some of them are pro features. So in this video, we're just discussing the free version of the plugin. And for the pro feature, we're going to see them in the next video. So now we will talk about how to install this BookingPress plugin in your WordPress website. So this is Dr. Sharma's website, which I am developing right now, and he want the booking feature. So the first thing, I will go here in the admin dashboard of the WordPress, and I will click on Add New Plugin. I will search for a plugin named BookingPress. You see the plugin is appeared here. I will install this plugin. Let's activate it. Okay, so now the plugin has been activated and you see a tab here, BookingPress. I will click on it, and as soon as I clicked, I got a setup wizard, and in the setup wizard I can set up this plugin. Okay, so in this field I will type the name of the company because there is no company right now, it's just Dr. Sharma. Address is Dehradun, India, and yes, country is India. Phone number is let's suppose I will give it phone number, this one. Website URL is and there is no logo right now, so I'm not adding any logo. Let's click on next. Here I have to define the business hours, which seems all right. Currency is INR, so I will let's click next, and here I have to define several services that Dr. Sharma provide. So I have already written them here. So one is journal consultation. So journal consultation, the fees is 500 for 30 minutes, and the consultations related details are this. I think I have to add one more service here, so I will click plus icon and then add the next service. Yeah, so for now I think two services are enough, and here basically you can set the colors and everything related to the form. I'm keeping it to default right now, and I will just click on finish. Okay, so you can see here my BookingPress setup has been done, and these are a few URLs. For example, this URL is for booking appointment. There you go. And this particular URL is for checking all my bookings. All right, so this is how it works right now. And I will close this thing. And now you see the BookingPress dashboard has been changed. So in the dashboard of BookingPress, the admin or the business owner can see the progress of his business. So in our case, Dr. Sharma will see all the progress of his clinic, like appointment that he had. In he can sort it by different month, week. He can see the revenue that he have achieved, the customer, or we can call it patient in his case. He gained in this month or this week, so he can see all the analytical graphical views of his progress. In the calendar tab, you can follow it from the left hand side, or you can just check these tabs, so both are same. So from the calendar tab, he can see all the bookings, all the appointments that has been in line for the coming week or month, so he can see it in calendar view. In the appointment section, he will get the list of all the appointment in simple list form, and then he can manage it from here. If he wants to reject an appointment, or if he wants to extend it, so he can basically manage them here. In the payment tab, he will see all the received payment, so he can basically um, get the list of all the payment that has been done from the patient side here. And he have an option to sort them by different filters here, by customer name, by service, by different payment type. From the customer tab, here basically he will see, Dr. Sharma will see all the customer list. So right now it is empty because there is no customer, or in his case the customers are patients, so he will see all the patient list here. In the service section, he can manage the services. So you have seen that we have added 2 services, and from here you can manage these services. You can add more services, or you can basically define categories of services. So you can do these things. You can manage all of your services from this service section. From the notification tab, Dr. Sharma can manage all his emails and their content. So on listing approval, this email content will get fired to the customer, and this will get fired to the admin. So the user or the admin have an option to customize the outgoing emails from, or emails contained from this notification tab. He have different dynamic filters that he can use to customize this email content. From the customize tab, the admin can customize the existing field or field settings, or he can customize the entire booking form. So you see 2 options are appearing. So he can customize different things like the color, and there are many options that you can explore. So basically from here you can customize the form and then the field setting. From the setting tab, you can further customize the entire BookingPress add-on as per your need. So like from the journal setting, there you have many settings. You can check all of them. If in my case, I think this setting is more meaningful. Share time slot between all the services, because there will be only one person, Dr. Sharma, who will be serving. So the time booked for journal consultancy should not be appear in the preventive healthcare. So that's the case. So I have to select this option here, share the time slot between the services. And there are other options like help to improve anonymous, create a, okay, this is again an helpful feature, create a WordPress user upon appointment booking. So I will consider this. Okay, I'm just saving this option now. And from the company tab, the Dr. Sharma can define or decide the company related details. Again, from the notification tab, he can further customize the notification, like whether to use the WordPress default email delivery system, or whether he wants to use SMTP or Gmail. So WordPress default delivery systems, in some of the hosting it does not work or properly deliver the emails, or in some cases, like the email goes to spam folder. So SMTP is recommended, so you can use SMTP or you can use the Google Gmail services. And here you have to decide which email will be used as the sender image when these emails get fired. So you can also test a email from this test section. From the working hours, you can further customize this working hours, or add a break or something if you want to define a break in between these hours, then like a lunch break or something. Then Dr. Sharma or anyone who is using this BookingPress plugin can use it. From the holiday section, the admin can decide the holidays during the month or year that they're gonna take. For example, today is 21, so suppose Dr. Sharma wants to go on holiday from 23 December to 31st December, and we call it Christmas holiday. So now these dates are marked as holiday. That means clinic will be shut down in these dates and nobody can book any appointment in these dates. From the payment setting, you can define the payments related settings. For example, which payment method you're gonna use. So by default, they have provided PayPal as a free payment gateway, so you can receive payment through PayPal. And BookingPress also support many payment gateways. You can see here like PayPal, Stripe. There are many more. So you can when you go for their pro version, their pro plan, then you will get all these payment gateways freely available. So we will discuss about this pro version in the next video, but in this video we are discussing only the free feature that this plugin provide. So the free version only provide the PayPal setting, PayPal payment option, and in order to set up it, you have to first click on the payment mode to live, and then whether you want to go for legacy or you want to go for a pop-up version. If you want to go for a pop-up version, it's like, the pop-up will get open up in your website for payment, then you have to add the client ID and client secret key here. Otherwise, for a legacy version, these details are needed. So uh, I think they are recommending here, note it is advised to use pop-up method rather than legacy, although both works fine, but the people believe it is better to use pop-up methods. So you can use the pop-up method and you'll get these details from PayPal. From the messages tab, you can change the text of different messages or different success or error messages that will get printed from this plugin side. So you can change them here. Debug mode is not for you, but it is for developers. And import and export, so let's suppose if you want to migrate your BookingPress plugin from one site to another and you want the data, in that case this import export setting is helpful. You can export your all the data and then you can import it anywhere you want to import. So if you want to extend the plugin functionality, you can go for the pro version. You can find the link in the description of this video and get the discount that is available right now. So now that we have seen how to set up this plugin and what are the different options in setting that we get when we activate the free version of BookingPress, it's time to set this up for this website. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add two menu item here so that user can see his booking and can book an appointment. So I will click on this edit site button. I'm using the blog theme 2025, which is the latest theme of WordPress. You might have different themes, so you might have the different layout or different way to edit the template. But here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna edit the header part. So I will click on edit, and basically here I'm gonna add few more menu items. So uh, I will just maybe duplicate it and say my booking, and I will add this link. Okay, and let's duplicate it one more time and say book now, or yeah, book and appointment will be good, I think. So I will just add the book and appointment page link here. Let's just save it and check it in the front end. So there you go. So we see the book my booking button and book an appointment button. You can change the wording as per your need. So now user have an option to see his booking and to uh, book an appointment directly by clicking on this menu item. I'm going to provide one more option to them here on the home page, so that to do so I will again click on edit site, and here I'm gonna click on a plus icon here, and I will search for BookingPress, and you will get all the blogs available in BookingPress. I'm gonna use this blog called Booking Form. Okay, so now let's just save it and have a look at it in the front end, how it looks. There you go. So now user have an option to book an appointment directly by going to this form. So now to see the functionality of BookingPress plugin, I will copy this website URL and I will open it in an incognito mode. Here I will act as a patient who is trying to book an appointment. So I want to go for journal consultancy appointment, and here you can basically see, like since we have marked from 23 to 31 as a holiday, Christmas holiday, so these options are not appearing, as you can see here. So I can only book from 1st of Jan. So I will book 1st of Jan, and my appointment slot will be let's say 10 a.m. to 10:30. I will add my details. Let's click on next, and it says that 500 is my booking amount. So I will just click on book appointment. So you can see here, it has not asked me for money. That is because in the setting there is no payment gateway has been integrated. It is just on site. So uh, I haven't enabled the PayPal option. Otherwise, if you enable these payment gateways, then user will have to pay for it. And after I booked an appointment, I have an option to mark it or pin it in my calendar. So that's it. And if I click on my appointment now, you see there is one appointment that I have status is pending. So by default it is pending. This appointment is on January 1st for 30 minutes from 10 a.m. to 10:30, and the payment status is also pending. I can myself cancel this appointment if I want to. So Dr. Sharma can check all his appointment from his dashboard. As you can see, he received one customer here. He first he will get emails notifying about this appointment. So as you can see, these emails has been sent to Dr. Sharma. Appointment pending email. So and the user who booked an appointment will get this email. And you can customize this email template from the notification setting as we have seen. So now, after Dr. Sharma will receive this email, he will go to his booking tab, and from the appointment section he can see all the appointment. So right now the appointment is not visible because there is a filter that has been applied to it. So I'm gonna just clear this filter, and now if I just search for it, you see Dr. Sharma received an appointment, and he can basically approve this appointment if he wants to approve it. So in this video we have seen how the BookingPress plugin works, and in the next video we will explore the pro feature of this plugin. So BookingPress basically provides 45 plus premium add-on in their yearly and lifetime membership, and you can get the membership by clicking on the affiliated link in the description of this video with the latest discount that they have. So see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.